Hello friends, welcome to our channel and we are going to talk about Bank of Baroda. Recently the quarterly results are out, so we'll go through the result. The latest closing of Bank of Baroda is 106.55. Large cap company, market capital is 55,100 crore. So let's go through the result. Here in the result they have showcased net profit rises 107 percentage and sharp fall in provisioning. The provisioning is like non-performing asset. Looking at the non-performing asset, they keep aside the provision. So if there is a sharp fall in the provisioning, it means the non-performing asset are also reducing, which is a positive thing for a banking sector. So here profits are increasing and non-performing assets, that is provisioning and contingency, is failing. Both are positive for Bank of Baroda. If you look at the detail, last year the profit was 1061.11 crore, whereas it rose to 2197.03 crore, which is 107 percentage rise in the net profit of this quarterly result. Along with that, net interest income also increased 14.38 percentage year on year basis to 8552 crore. Net interest margin also increased to 3.13 percentage, that is 36 points year on year basis. Provisioning and contingency failed 27.33 percentage from a year ago to 2507 crore. Along with that, the other income, which includes fees, trading profit and miscellaneous income, that is slipped, that came down to 13.45 percentage year on year basis to 2519 crore for last 3 months. The gross non-performing asset, which is the important sector where we supposed to look at, it has declined to 55,997 crore this quarter from last year's 63,182 crore. It means the non-performing assets are reducing. The gross NPA ratio also reduced, which came to 7.25 percentage in Q3, which is 86 bps down compared to the last year, which was 123 bps. It means the ratio is decreasing, non-performing asset also decreasing. So the net NPA ratio is now 2.25 percentage in this Q3, against last quarter it was 2.83, and in last year it was 2.39. So compared to the last quarter and last year, the NPA ratio for this quarterly result is very good. The advances grew 4.75 percentage year on year basis, and it came to 7.32 trillion this December. Along with that, the retail loan portfolio also increased by 11.13 percentage. The bank's corporate loan book was flat this year and it came to 2.91 trillion. Home loans, auto loans grew to 6.57 percentage and 20.54 percentage respectively. The small businesses loan also rose to 2.39 percentage, and along with that, gold loan also increased to 28 percentage. So what we see here, the advances are growing in almost all the sectors. Though here the corporate bank loan was a flat this year, other sectors are doing really well. The loan which we are giving to auto and home loans, because the budget is really good, it's a growth basis budget. Manufacturing industries like EV industries are growing, and home loan, the real estate sector is also booming, so that benefit is coming to bank also. The more the industry grows, they will take more loan from the companies, banks like Bank of Baroda, and that's what we are seeing over here. The yield over here, it has advanced, improved to 6.92 percentage from last quarter 6.5 percentage. Deposit, more the deposit, it's good for the bank, and the deposit for the Bank of Baroda also grew to 2.45 percentage year on year basis, and it came to now 9.78 trillion. The bank's fresh slippages, that stood to 2,830 crore compared to the last quarter 5,223 crore, and the last year 3,986 crore. It means the bank's slippage, the slippage less the slippage, it's good for a bank, and that's what happened. Last, compared to the last quarter and compared to last year, this time the slippage are really less, which is 2,830 crore. The recoveries and upgrade from the NPA for this quarter stood 2032 crore and 1272 crore. So Bank of Baroda's quarterly 3 results are very good, and that's what we should see in our daily chart also. So let's have a look at our daily chart. This is the daily chart of Bank of Baroda, and what we see over here, after the lows of 38, the bank's stock is continuously in uptrend, though it is coming down, but here is our support trend line, and whenever it comes near the support trend line, it gives a bounce back over here. And this is, if you look at the bigger picture, this is the biggest resistance trend line for the Bank of Baroda. Last time it tried to crack this 106, but then there was a selling pressure and it fell down to almost 80 level. But after that, it took a support from the support trend line, it bounced back, and now we are again at the same resistance level. See, here it is making kind of a rounding bottom. This rounding bottom is happening, and whenever this rounding bottom kind of chart happens, what happens whenever it gives the breakout, the targets are really big. So if it's sustained over here, almost sustaining from last 2 to 3 days, it is making the the stock price is ranging between 106 and 110. So if it sustains over here, the upcoming targets are really big, because if you look at the left side for the resistance, the next resistance zone is at almost 130. So even if it fell down over here, we do have a support at 95 level, because if you look at this left side, this is the support level, and if it fell down, then there is another support level at 90. So if someone finds this stock between 90 to 95, it's really good investment for a new investor for a long term purpose basis. So if the quarterly results are good, we can expect a good upcoming good rally, uptrend rally from here onward. Even if it came down here, we should find a support nearby, and then the uptrend rally should start, and our immediate target for this, if it's sustained above 106, it would be 130. And if you are keeping this stock in your portfolio for long term, then you should see 140 and 145 also. This is really good stock when you look at the PSU sector. This is a leading bank in a PSU sector, and this will be in our bank nifty also. This is going to be part of a bank nifty replacing a RBL bank. And looking at the budget, reality sector are growing. Along with that, the manufacturing industry, auto industry, they are also growing. Electric vehicles, the government focus is there on EV business. So those auto sector, reality sector, they will come for the bank for a home loan or anything. So along with that, the financial banking, that will also grow, and Bank of Baroda will also get a benefit on a long term basis. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any comment or anything, any suggestion, please you can put everything in our comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in our next video.